Yo, yo, yo. All right, let me just sit here real quick. So I'm gonna take you in a sneak peek of what we call defend our deal or sell your deal to our team. We don't really have a name for it, but it's a pretty cool process. We got this idea from Rafael Vargas when we went to his event, and it's pretty dope. And we've always kind of done something like it, but damn, it's kind of like dark over here. Hold on. We've always kind of done something like it, but we actually started now doing it the next morning every time we get a deal. So if someone gets a deal in our office, right? If someone's there, they get a deal in our office. I actually like this way better. Someone's there, they get a deal in our office. The next morning at 9:30, we all come together either here in this screen or in the conference room where you've seen in our videos. And whoever got the deal, the acquisitions guy, they have to pitch it. They have to pitch their deal. And our dispositions team, Rodrigo and Frank, they're like the Shark Tank. They're like the Shark Tank investors. So they're seeing it as the investor, the acquisitions agent seeing it as the acquisitions, and they gotta sell them the deal so that they can sell it to our investors. And it's worked out really well. And then they come up with a price and a plan. So it's like, all right, we both agree that we want to sell it at 150. This is the profit we should make, and this is how we pitch it. This is the plan. This is what's good about the property. This is what's not so good. This is what investors got to know. It's rented, blah, 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 blah. And it's fucking dope. So it's been really beneficial. I highly recommend you guys do this shit if you have a team. And see you guys there. Peace.
Paying $295 just to add 4K more, and when we make full commission, I think. Check.
I mean, if it's private sale, just list it like that, I think we could get a couple $1,000 off, no?
Yeah, she only negotiated the property for like a day. Like she got the contract today, and she talked to a guy over the weekend.
Yeah, over the weekend. Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, we're just pretty much doing the work of finding somebody.
The only thing is you gotta make sure to tell your buyers about it's got the second kitchen. They have to do that shit.
And it's a property that's only been on the MLS for 6 days, so most likely,
How expensive is it to do that?
No, to take it out.
You gotta do a permit check. Probably cost you an extra $7,000.
So you either take it out and don't do anything with it, or you leave it and then get a permit, right?
No, if it's not,
You can't have two kitchens
Yeah,
in a single family house.
because that's not someone for a duplex. It's only someone for single family. So you need to convert it into like
that agent?
So that's someone right there they're gonna have to put into
Nelson
it.
Medina.
I like the property. I like the property.
Imagine they rented it. Are these the people who renovated it? What'd they buy it for, Boris? Just curious.
And what is it on public records?
The 4-2.
On public records?
Yeah.
So we got ourselves a 4-2.
They bought for it says 0 there. 2018. August 2018.
Nope. Interfamily transfer. Dissolution.
Yeah, but an investor bought it and they just didn't put it.
Yeah, it's 20 East. Yeah, they bought it with here in Aliyah. The units. Oh wait, I'll show you the unit.
In June, once you go towards the airport.
Units
Yeah, once you
after
cross
the airport. Yeah.
Yeah.
Está el hospital.
That's 8, and then the unit is over here.
Yeah.
Big shit right here.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, big shit right here.
Oh, that's the June there?
El airport.
Yeah.
Great address, great house. I mean, it's up to
Yeah.
you guys to decide what you think it'll.
I say we could start pushing.
What's you gonna go to Chase Bank?
Right.
Chase Bank's gonna say, cool. We're gonna have to go do an inspection of the house when we buy it. And they're gonna say, this house is not financeable. The roof is fucked up. The floors are messed up. No, you don't need to have a fully renovated house for it to be financeable.
Right. So basically, the 5-7 is to get the kitchen and the ACs out the way, blah 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 blah, and then boom.
Make it financeable.
I see what you're
Just like a little
doing.
checklist.
I see what you're doing.
What up, guys? All right, first off, I want to thank you for watching this video on YouTube and just hearing me out for a little bit. So, I love feedback. I love when you guys watch this stuff. I hope I'm giving you guys some value. If you haven't followed me on Facebook, Instagram, or checked out my site, go do that. And if you haven't subscribed or clicked the little bell, do it right now. Come on, save yourself the trouble. So anyways, guys, post comments. And we're a small channel right now, so I'm looking to just see comments, see what new stuff I could do. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe. See you guys on the other side. Peace.